Hello and welcome all CommunityFT members. This morning's daily market report brought to you on behalf of CommunityFT, in which we're going to take a look at some potential movements to occur over the next 24 hours. But before we do that, at this point, let us embrace a quick risk warning. So if we can familiarize ourselves with the information in front, engage as much as is possible so that hereafter any decisions you make in your trading are of a fully informed nature. Okay, now on the cards for us today, we're going to take a look at some economies, the value of those economies as is reflected by the value of their currency. And let's also take a look down at some energies. So to help us do that in a more detailed manner, let's look at the platform. So what we're looking at here in this case, okay, is the daily chart of euro versus sterling. Now what I'm drawing in, I'll explain in 1 second, but for those of you who are used to classical technical analysis techniques will start to recognize what it is I'm actually sketching, okay? And what it is indeed is a bullish channel, okay? So euro sterling has been undergoing a bullish channel movement over the last given period of time. Now, what's notable about this, or what can be useful in this sort of movement, is really to look for short positions, okay? Because if it's moving in a bullish manner, anything that goes against that surely could be indicative, or surely could be an indication of a trade, or a short trade even. So what we can use is the 55-day exponential moving average, the 200-day simple moving average, and the stochastic oscillator, as well as our well drawn in trend lines in order to help us see those valuable positions. Now one of those trend lines has been breached recently, and it seems to be quite a movement. What we could look to do in this case though, okay, is understand that it may work out well to our advantage, but it also may not work out well to our advantage. So risk management will be a key principle here, regardless of the overall success of the same, or of the overall accuracy historically of the indicator. Crude oil is rather similar in that with regard to its 50 or 100-day EMA, okay, the market seems to move in quite a nice trending manner, and we see that those positions have been signaled with a buy here, a sell at this particular position here, and possibly a buy back at this particular level. The crude oil seems to be swinging lately, okay, which means the market is not really ranging nor trending, okay. It seems to have almost fake out after fake out. The short trade now, or the short movement or bearish move, seems to be looking for some confirmation. In order to help us with that, we could wait until the commodity channel index slips outside its range at -100, and we could also look for confirmation of convergence on the stochastic oscillator. So we hope that's been of help. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch. We welcome all inquiries. Have a terrific day, and as we say here, keep learning.